going to share my daily practice with you, 100 Kapalabhatis and 40 breaths in a standing forward bend. So we're going to start with our butts up against the wall, and I'm going to measure 2 of my own feet in front of me and then set my feet down, thinking about plugging in ball mounds of the big toes, pinky toes, heels, and then driving that energy up my sitting bones. Now from here, I want to frame myself up. Grab a hold of those elbows and bring my arms up. Press the elbows into my hands, bring the upper arm bones down, and rotate the armpits in. Find a seat, take myself forward while staying plugged in and framed up. And let's bring the arms back, starting to find a little bit of a back bend. From here, 100 Kapalabhatis, exhales only. Exhaling completely, and here we go. Keep going. Keep an eye of your mind on the exhales, an eye of your mind on pumping your belly, and then plug in, tip of the tongue to the roof of the mouth, find your antenna shooting up through that frame, and keep going. Keep plugging in through the feet and charging yourself up, all the way up to the pubis, belly button, sternum, throat, and tennis. And 10 more. Exhale completely. Good. Nice big inhale. Press into the feet. Begin to elongate. Forward bend. Good. Inhaling. Look forward. Exhale, sit back. Inhaling forward. Exhale, push into the feet, pull up on the hips, forward bend. Let's do 3 more of these. Inhale up, exhale, hinging from those hips, right? My belly touches my thighs, I push into my feet, lengthen up, pull the hips up, and then back into that chair. Good. And then let's take it down into that forward bend. So fold your way over, the backs of the legs pull in 2 different directions. From the backs of the knees, I'm going to pull my sitting bones up, and from the backs of my knees, I'm going to press my ball mounds down. Good. I like to walk my hands back here to take them back and start working them down. I find that is helpful to my practice. But you can find any way to handle the pose. Frame up, or interlace fingers, ball and mitt behind your head. We're going to take 40 breaths here together. So, I'm going to time us. Let's put a little 3-minute timer for this pose. As we take the feet and re-plug in ball mounds of the big toes, pinky toes, and heels. I'll walk us through a magic square in the feet. So inhale down into the center of the heels. Exhale up into the ball mounds of the big toes. Inhale around the tops of the feet to the middle outer edges. Exhale up to the ball mounds of the pinkies. Inhale, center of the arch. Exhale, down into the inner heel. Inhaling, arches of the feet. Exhale around the top of the feet to the outer edge of your heel. Inhaling, ball mount of the middle toe. Exhale, put a circle around both feet. Let's do that again. Inhale and exhale. And inhale into the center of your heels. Exhale, ball mounts of the big toes. Inhale around the top to the outer middle edge of your feet. Exhale, ball mounts of the pinkies. Inhale, center of the soles of the feet. Exhale, inner heels. Inhale, arches of both feet. Exhale, around the top to the outer heels. Inhale, ball mount of the middle toe. Exhale, put a circle around both feet. Inhale and exhale. Good. Let's magic square the whole body. Now that we're all plugged in through those feet, inhale, third foot, third leg, place where you pee. Exhale, bounce up to your right eye. Inhale around your back to your heart and your left rib cage. Exhale, left eye. Inhale, center of the torso. Exhale, right foot. Inhale, right rib cage. Exhale, around the back to your left foot. Inhale, third eye. Exhale, put a circle around yourself. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that one more time. Inhaling, third leg, third foot. Exhale, bouncing up to the second floor. Right eye looks out. Inhale around the back to your left rib cage. Exhaling, bouncing up to 4. Left eye looking out. Inhaling, center of your room. Exhale, right foot in the garage, out into the world. Inhaling, right rib cage, right lung. Exhale around the back to your left foot, where we find our patience. Inhaling up to the observatory, third eye. Exhaling, put a circle around yourself. Inhale and exhale.